Good afternoon, students. So today we'll be starting off with our unit 3, which is actually based on spreadsheet application. Now, what is a spreadsheet application? As you can see that in my laptop, I have opened a particular application, which is actually an application which is divided into rows, like these are your rows, and each rows has been numbered, and it is divided into as well as columns. An application of this sort, where it has been divided into rows and columns, is known as spreadsheet application. Now, what is the use of application as such that is divided into rows and columns? Most probably we use it for doing all kinds of calculation, writing formulas and automating the calculating part, which we do not have to do repeatedly. That's what this application does. And as we proceed with this unit, I will be showing you how to use the formulas and how to use this entire application. Now, this particular application that I have opened right now in my laptop is what is known as your Microsoft Excel, and it is one of the most popular spreadsheet application that is being used. It's a part of a package that is called Microsoft Office. If you install Microsoft Office, you will be getting this application along with it. That is the Microsoft Excel. So now, if you ask that is this the only application that is available, spreadsheet? No, there is many other spreadsheet applications. So one such application is which is free. Microsoft is a paid application. You have to pay in order to get this software. But we have a free version of this particular spreadsheet application, which is also known as WPS spreadsheet. So this is a WPS Office, in which if you install WPS Office, you get this application spreadsheet, which is absolutely free. But again, if you look at the similarity between Microsoft Excel and the WPS Office, you see that both of them look almost the same. Why? Because both of them are spreadsheet application. As I said, this one is also particularly divided into, you can see that this is divided into rows as well as columns, and it has been numbered as well as lettered depending on whether it's a row or a column. Now, only thing that will happen is I will be proceeding with your class. I will be teaching you either in spreadsheet, that is in WPS Office spreadsheet, or I can teach you in Microsoft Excel. Whatever I will be doing, the thing is that you will be able to do it either in any one of the spreadsheet applications. Now, I know that quite a lot of you won't be having access to a laptop or a desktop. So as I had asked you before also, that in our Google Classroom I have asked whether every one of you have installed the application that is WPS. Both this application, this Microsoft Excel as well as this WPS Office, has got a mobile version of this. So if you have installed the mobile version of that particular application, then you can do whatever I'll be teaching over here. You can practice it in your phone also. Only thing that will happen is that the interface will be different. What do I mean by interface? For example, this is what is called your so-called your formula bar, where you will be writing the formula. Exactly in the same position is for this one also. This is the formula bar. In your mobile version, it will be different. Let me show you the mobile version of this one. So if I open, so when I open my mobile version, so here I won't be able to use the mouse pointer, but you can see that I have opened this one. All right, so you can see that I have opened a spreadsheet application, and this is nothing but this is the WPS Office. Let me show you how we open it up. I will just discard the yeah, I'll just discard the changes so that I can show you right from sorry for all these advertisements and all. So this is how, when you open the application, this is how it looks like. All right, so this is how the application will look like. Now this is WPS Office. Now if you click on this plus symbol, you will see that you have document, you have got presentation, you have got your spreadsheet application. So you just have to click on the spreadsheet application. As you click on the spreadsheet application, you can see that here there are already some templates. Templates means ready-made Excel or so-called spreadsheet applications which are made for you, and you can use it. But if you don't want to do this, click on this plus, and here is your new spreadsheet application. Now, as I have told you, in this one, this is the formula bar, right? So in this one also, this is the formula bar, all right? But in the mobile version of this one, the formula bar is, if I click here, all right, and I want to write something, you have to click on this. If you see in the lower, I cannot use a pointer over here, but if I click on those icons that you see at the below. If I click on this one, you must have noticed, which I have highlighted. If you look at this, this is where the formula bar is. That means I can write my formula over here. So the only thing that will happen is the orientation will change, or maybe the placement of the formula bar and any other things will be a bit different. But as I said, whatever I'll be doing over here, you can do it in your mobile version also. So maybe if time provides, I will show you both way to use it. If how to do it in your laptop version or a desktop version, as well as in the mobile version. For example, if I want to type something over here, all right, so if you want to type something over here, as I said, that you have to click on this. For example, I'm typing serial number. Let's say serial number, right? So there I can type that. Right now, as I said, now if you want to put like numbers, right, so you can click on, as usual, like you are I think most of you are familiar to use a mobile. So you, for example, if I say 1 2, all right, now you can see that this 1 2 has been I'm sorry about that. My phone has selected from my hold on, just a minute. uh, Yep, I'll just cancel it. Yep. So there it is. All right. So as I said that if you want to make a, for example, like if I want to drag and drop and all those things, I will be showing you. I don't want to waste quite a lot of time in doing this one right now. Right. So just hold on. Yeah. So I will be typing over here like serial number. Same thing, you can do it in your mobile version also. You can type a serial number as I'm typing here also. One, for example, if I type here, let's say 1, and if I type here 2, and so on. Right now, here the only thing is that I can use the mouse to drag it, and I can continue these numbers. Can you see that it's automatically created? So that's easy in a desktop version. But if you want to do the same thing, I will show you later on how you can do it in the mobile version as well. Right, yeah, it's the same thing. You have to, because I am unable to use the click over here, so you have to click, means I am not able to see. For example, if I select both of them like this, all right, and then you can drag and fill and all those things. I will be talking about them as we proceed with the classes. You will also figure it out because all of you are used to using the mobile devices. All right, so today this was just an introduction, or just how I will be teaching you the MS Excel, or so-called your WPS spreadsheet, and how you will be doing the same thing in your mobile, in your WPS office, or you can install even the so-called your um, uh, Microsoft Office also in your phone. So thank you.